Hi, I'm Ian Cluft, recording this at the Mojave Makers shop at the Mojave Air Space Port. This is in response to Spacevidcast's episode 5.18, where they were asking the question, why does Mars matter? And I want to change the question to, why does planetary science matter? We can take a look at, several people have made questions or points about exploration and expanding horizons, and there's lots of points to be made, but we have limited time. So I'm going to focus on asteroids and the Moon and Mars. Starting with the asteroids, one can guess that the dinosaurs would have preferred to have had a space program in hindsight, except, well, none of them survived the asteroid impact 65 million years ago. And take a look at the Moon, all of the craters. The Earth is in the same firing line of asteroids as the Moon is. We just don't see as many craters on the Earth because it erases them and erodes them. So one of the things as we take a look for these asteroids out there to learn more about them, and if we found one coming our way, what can we do about it? We have limited time at that point, and we'd have to, it'd be more effective to divert it with a small nudge years or decades in advance instead of trying to nuke it at the last minute. Hollywood got that one wrong. But also, as we learn more about the asteroids, we find that they're economically valuable for mining. And that's an important discovery. And we're learning all these things. And if we move on to looking at the Moon and Mars, we learn things we didn't expect about the Earth when you look at these other planetary bodies. The Earth is a very dynamic environment with weather and erosion. We don't have these things confusing the issue when we take a look at the Moon, and not as much, but a little bit of atmosphere on Mars. And we can take a look at the chemical and geologic processes without these variables, and the science can learn a lot of things about the Earth again. And so there's all kinds of fascinating things. And if you find this interesting, go take a look on the web. There's all kinds of interesting information to browse. And remember to support the science and business of space exploration.